Hey guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Bertolli and this is my kitchen. Today on the chopping block, we got chicken and shrimp fettuccine. So stay tuned in right over there. Okay guys, I'm back. We're going to start out with this chicken right here. We're going to go ahead and season this chicken up. Put some salt on it, sea salt, black pepper. This is onion powder and garlic mixed together. This is thyme. That's what I'm going to put in next. I'm going to flip those over. So you can pat this on, pat this down. I'm going to go ahead and take these over here to the skillet and sear them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to put some canola oil in there. Turn the skillet to medium heat. Take our chicken. Try to get 3 pieces in there. You want to leave room for this chicken to breathe, so don't let it be touched. Okay? We're going to go ahead and fry those up, and I'll show you how they look when it's done in a minute. Okay guys, we're going to flip these over and see how they look. Not all the way down, but that's close enough. I don't want to cook it all the way done. Okay? I'll show you why. Okay, this is the shrimp, y'all. Took a little of my mixture of the onion powder and garlic. Sprinkle some of that in there. My lemon pepper, ginger. Sprinkle some of that in there. Okay, we're going to take out some olive oil. Put that in there. Now, I don't want my hand too messy, so I'm going to get a glove. Give this a good mix. We're going to let this marinate, guys. And we're going to cook these totally separate from the chicken. Put a little bit more lemon pepper in there. Some of this get done. Eventually you'll find out. That's what we got the lemon here for, if you're wondering. Let's get squeezed on there. So, okay, we're done with that. We're going to take a little butter out of the chicken. Not that much, just a little bit. Take these mushrooms, put those in there. Take a little olive oil, put some of that in there. Chopped garlic, put that in there. Take some white wine, about a half cup. Put that in there so we can get all that stuff off the bottom of the pan. All that flavor. You might want to add a whole cup. While that steam's on this thing, we're going to go over here by the chicken, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to start cutting this chicken. I'm going to finish chopping up this, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got this chicken all chopped up. I'm going to go to the stove and put this in with my mushrooms and my garlic. Here we go. Come on over here. Throw that up in there, like so. Take the rest of my olive oil and put it in there. I'm going to let some of this marinate, some of that wine up in there. Got some heavy cream, whipping cream. We're going to put some of that in there. Pinch of salt, because we already seasoned up everything. Black pepper. Got some Parmesan, cheese. Put some of that in there. Put half of that in there because we're going to save the other half. Okay, I'm going to continue stirring this up until it gets thick, and I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, here's something else I'm going to put in it. Now I got my own sauce going, but I need a lot of more sauce, so I only bought 2 of these. A little wine in that to get the rest of it out. Mix that up. Rest of that out there. I'm going to turn this down a little bit. Let it cook. Thicken up. I'm going to go ahead and get started on these shrimps. I already heated it up. And turn it back down here because it's going to be too hot. How you can tell, sprinkle some water on it. See how hot that is? Way too hot. And what we're going to do here is just turn it completely off for a hot second. And get some olive oil. Put a little olive oil in it. And so, we take us a little butter. Probably about a tablespoon worth. Put it in there. Put the shrimp. Put them in there one by one because you put them all in there at one time. A lot of juices come out and then it made you a hot mess. So you put them in there one by one. The sauce done. Let's go ahead and turn this off. See how all this stuff right here? See, that's from the juice. That's what you don't want. Okay, we're going to add some smoked peas in there. Put this in last. About half a cup. I'm going to turn them up high a little bit. Lemon juice. Take some lemon juice. I'll squeeze some of that lemon juice up in there.
This is where we went wrong last time. Remember the last time we had shrimp with shrimp fettuccine, I think it was?
Mm-hmm. I put lemon juice?
No, I overdid it with the lemon juice.
Oh.
I put way too much lemon juice in there.
Our water is boiling. Take out some kosher salt. Put it in there. We go ahead and take these shrimps off. I don't know how nobody do theirs. I don't want to be sucking on a long piece of noodle. So I break mine in half. Do it however you want yours. Break mine in half. And you can put a little oil in that water. Keep it from sticking. Not a lot, just a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. Okay guys, the food is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff together and I'll meet you back over there. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, I'm done with this chicken and shrimp fettuccine. And I put a little bacon in it, and I put some tomatoes on top and garnish it with a little green onions. Got a side of lemons right there if you want to put some of that on there. Got your garlic bread right here with basil. And if you guys like this plate, please comment. And please also like, share, and subscribe. Bell Dog signing out.
I don't.
Try to do too much.
No, it's not that. It's not that.
That's
It's
what
just,
I've been doing.
it's the wording. I don't know. How, okay, so just say
People like little Veldog sweating up in there.
Okay,